Hello, today is July 14th and I am on the Curonian Spit, close to the Baltic Sea on the western side of Lithuania. And I'm in a place called, and forgive me if I butcher the name, Juodkrante, where just outside of the main town there's a bird colony, like a cormorant colony. And there are so many of these birds that their droppings are actually killing the forest. I don't know if you can see, but there are a lot of dead trees. And apparently since 1998 their population exploded, and now they're being their nests are being chilled to control the population because they are destroying the environment. They're not sustainable. Just everywhere.